Welcome to EduHubSpot's knowledge series. If you're new here, make sure to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. In today's video, I will explain you how modern data tool works and how you can use them with Power BI, Microsoft Fabric and Azure to build real analytics. Before we talk about what Microsoft Fabric is, let me show you a problem it's solved inside Microsoft itself. Imagine you're a part of Microsoft Finance team and every day you're dealing with billions of data points, Azure usage, product sales, subscription, and worldwide revenue coming from all over the world. But earlier, even at Microsoft, there was a big issue. Important financial reports took up to 8 hours to generate. If leaders want more detailed breakdown, it would take another 8 hours. So, just to answer a few important business questions, it would take a full working day. Behind this delay, there were some serious challenges, such as there was too much of data for the old system to handle efficiently, reports were very slow, data was spread across many tools and systems, so numbers often did not match, and running all this different system was expensive. Teams started losing trust in data because everyone was seeing different results. To fix this problem, Microsoft decided to use its own new platform, Microsoft Fabric, and unify everything. Here's what it changed. Fabric brought all of Microsoft data into OneLake, a single unified environment. Reports became about 66% faster, so leaders got answers around 5 hours earlier every day. Then, data processing cost dropped by 50%. Everyone worked on the same clean and trusted data instead of using multiple versions. And Fabric also created a strong base for AI tools like Copilot, automated insights, and forecasting. So, Microsoft used Fabric to fix its massive data problem around speed, cost, and trust. If a company like Microsoft needed this kind of platform, it tells you how powerful and important Microsoft Fabric really is. Now that you have seen a real world problem, let's understand why Microsoft needed to create Fabric in the first place. To understand Fabric, you need to see the world before it exists. Earlier, companies used too many separate tools, like one for ETL, one for warehousing, one for data science, another one for streaming, and one for BI and reporting. These tools were not connected, and data have to be copied into data lakes, warehouses, spreadsheets, and so on. That is when Microsoft built Fabric to eliminate all of this. Fabric brings everything into one unified platform with one storage layer, one lake, one architecture, one security model, one copy of the data, one platform for all workloads, and AI built in across the system. Fabric replaces a messy, multi-tool data stack with clean, unified, and AI-ready platform. Now that you know why Fabric existed, let's dive into what Fabric actually is. Microsoft Fabric is all-in-one data and analytics platform. Instead of using multiple tools for data storage, pipelines, warehousing, AI, and reporting, Fabric combines everything into one integrated product. All your organization data is stored into OneLake, a single SaaS-based data lake, because it uses open format like Delta Parquet. You only need one copy of the data, and the same copy can train machine learning modules, run SQL queries, feed your data warehouse, Power BI reports. Fabric also gives data engineers, analysts, and data scientists a unified workspace with pipelines, notebook, asymmetric modules, and real-time analytics. For business users, Fabric connects directly with Microsoft 365, making collaboration easier. It also includes built-in security and governance using Microsoft Fabric View. And with Copilot, Fabric's AI assistants, user can write SQL, clean data, build reports, and automates workflow just by describing what they need. Now, let me break down the essential concepts you must understand. These are the core ideas you must understand before learning Microsoft Fabric. First is data lakes and warehouses. Data lake stores raw, unstructured data like CSV and images. Data warehouse stores structured, cleaned, and ready to use data. Fabric uses lake-first architecture, which means all raw and processed data lives in one lake, and different workloads can use the same copy. Then we have OneLake architecture. First, we have one unified data lake for the entire organization. like OneDrive but for all analytics data. Uses Delta Parquet, so one copy of the data works with SQL, ML, real-time analytics, and Power BI. Organized by domains, workspace, and lakehouses while staying connected under one platform. Then we have shortcuts. Let you access data from Azure, AWS, or Google Cloud without copying it. Then we have built-in governance and security through Purview across all workloads. Next we have one copy of the data. Fabric stores data into open Delta Parquet platform. This single copy can be used simultaneously by SQL analytics, machine learning modules, data pipelines, Power BI dashboards, and real-time analytics. Moving on, we have workloads in Fabric. Fabric combines 6 major analytics workloads under one platform. First is data engineering. Builds, transforms, and prepares large data sets using notebooks and pipelines. Then we have data factory. Injects and automates data movement with drag and drop pipelines and connectors. Then we have data science. Creates, trains, and deploys machine learning modules directly into OneLake data. Then real-time intelligence. Processing and analyzing streaming data instantly for real-time dashboards and alerts. Then data warehouse. Providing high-performance SQL engine for structured and analytics-ready data. Lastly, Power BI. Visualize data through interactive reports and dashboards for business insights. All your operations are under same OneLake. You do not need 5 different tools anymore. Everything is unified under OneLake. Next we have asymmetric modules. Asymmetric modules define measures. Predefined calculation like sales, profit, KPIs used across reports. Then we have relationship. Connection between tables that control how data links and filter flows. Then business logic. Rules and formulas that standardize how metrics are calculated. Then calculation definition. DAX expression that defines how specific metrics and results are computed. They are used by Power BI to create reports and used by the companies also. Next we have pipelines and notebooks. These are used for injecting data, bringing raw data from various sources into Fabric. Then cleaning data, fixing error, removing inconsistency, and preparing reliable data. Then we have transforming data, shaping, structuring, and enhancing data for analysis. Lastly, automating data workflow, scheduling and running data process automatically without the use of manual effort. Likewise, pipelines automate processes and notebooks help in code-based transformation and ML. Next we have security and governance. Fabric integrates with Microsoft Purview to apply permission so that it can help you who can access, view, and modify data. Then sensitivity labels. Tags and protect sensitive and confidential data automatically. Next we have data lineage. Shows a complete flow of data from source to final report. Finally, data cataloging. Organize and document data sets so user can easily discover and understand them. Next we have Copilot and AI assistants. Copilot have built-in AI, so it can write SQL, generate SQL queries automatically using natural language. Then build reports, create visuals and report layout with AI-driven suggestion. Next, clean and transform data. Automatically detects issues, apply transformation to prepare data. Then we have suggest insights, highlighting key patterns, trends, and anonymous from your data. Then we have automate task. Set up AI-driven workflows to handle repetitive analytic steps. Lastly, AI accelerate analytics and helps every non-technical users, making advanced data work faster and easier for everyone, not just only for experts. Now, I hope you have a clear idea about the concepts. So, if you want to excel your career in AI-powered analytics, then EduHubSpot's AI-powered analytics with Power BI program is the perfect place to begin. In this program, you will learn how to combine AI with Power BI, Microsoft Fabric, and Copilot to build smarter dashboards, automate insights, and solve real business challenges. With hands-on projects and expert-led learning, you will become job ready for the most in-demand data and AI roles. So just click the link in the description box and join today. With that in mind, let's continue to see how Fabric fits in your existing data stack. If you're a Power BI user, this part is very important. Power BI is now the BI layer in Microsoft Fabric. Fabric is a full data platform underneath it. Before Fabric, data came from random sources. You imported it into BI files and everyone had their own copies. With Fabric, all data lives in OneLake. Power BI reads directly from the shared and trusted data. No more duplicates and mismatched numbers. Warehousing, ML, streaming, and reporting all run in one environment. This is how it is helpful. Now, let's take a quick look and see who should learn and use Fabric. Microsoft Fabric is not just for only technical people. It is useful for anyone working with data. First is, if you're a Power BI user, you get faster modules and clean reporting. Then, if you're a data analyst, you get clean and AI boosted SQL. Then, if you're a data engineer, you get unified pipelines, notebooks, and lakehouses. Then, if you're a data scientist, you can run ML directly on shared OneLake data. And if you're a business user, you get faster dashboards and trusted KPIs. And if your organization is moving towards AI, Fabric gives you an AI ready platform and foundation. And if you work in data or planning to start a career in analytics, learning Fabric earlier is a huge advantage. Next, we will see the importance of Microsoft Fabric in PL300 exam. Microsoft Fabric is tightly connected to Power BI, so understanding Fabric concepts directly help you with the major PL300 skills. Let's see how it is useful for this exam. Starting up with OneLake and Data Flow Gen 2 specifies data preparation. Then, asymmetric modules in Fabric are the core to PL300 data modeling. Power BI now works inside Fabric, so many tasks rely on Fabric architecture. Fabric-related concepts are spread across the exam and influencing 30 to 40% of PL300 concepts. So, that was a clear overview of what Microsoft Fabric is, why Microsoft built it, and main building blocks and how it connects to Power BI and who should learn it. Whether you're a Power BI user or a data scientist or someone exploring AI, Microsoft Fabric has a place for you. And before you go, drop a comment if you have any queries or if you want me to create a video on specific Microsoft topic or Power BI next. So, keep learning and keep growing and see you in the next session with EduHubSpot.